fix missing UI and disappearing menus on the Roblox website. So if you want to fix missing UI and disappearing menus on the Roblox website, then first you need to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Outdated temporary files frequently cause UI bugs. So what you need to do is just simply go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then just simply scroll down a bit, go with settings. Under settings, go with privacy and security, and here you need to go with delete browsing data and delete all of your browsing history. After deleting your browsing history, your problem might be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is go with extensions, which will be in the top right. Go with manage extensions, and here if you have any extensions that you are not using, then you just need to simply go and remove those extensions. After removing the extensions or after deleting the exist, your problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and try a different browser, or you can go with incognito. Go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then you'll have new incognito window. You can go with incognito, and now you can try. Or else you can just simply go with your Windows button and then just simply go with the power and restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.